Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. As another year comes to a close, we have the opportunity to reflect on our past and to look forward to our future. One of the things that I enjoy doing in December is setting goals for the upcoming year. And as you may already know, I enjoy using planners to plan my days, weeks, and months. So I decided I'd DIY my 2019 planner, and I wanted to make a planner that was both pretty and functional. So with the help of Graphic 45, A Lady's Diary, I set out to do just that. I decided to use the planning components that work best for me. In my work, I take notes down for everything, and although it may be considered old school, I do enjoy flipping through the pages of my planner to see how far I've come and how much further I need to go. Someone once said, "It's not about the destination, but about how you get there." And jotting everything down in my planner makes me see just that. I've decided to break my planner down into quarters, so here you see my planner setup for January, February, and March. By breaking my planner down into quarters, it makes my goal setting less overwhelming. I hope that my planner layout has given you ideas on how you can use your designer papers to create your very own one-of-a-kind planner. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you once again in the next video. Bye now.